Hey Defenders, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the latest from SpaceX, their new Starlink Mini. Let us check out what makes this compact satellite internet service so exciting and discuss some of the cybersecurity concerns that you should be aware of. SpaceX has launched a new, more compact version of their Starlink service called the Starlink Mini. This is an affordable and a portable dish that provides high-speed internet perfect for people in remote places or people always on the go. Starlink Mini aims to bridge the digital divide by delivering the fast internet to places that you can't even think of, such as deserts and also inside the Pacific Ocean. The kit comes with everything you need: a compact dish, tripod and cables, and it is designed for easy and self-installation. One of the best features of Starlink Mini is its portability. You can take your internet with you on a road trip, you can take it with you wherever you go on a vacation or whatsoever, and the location is not at all a concern. The dish adjusts itself automatically to the best satellite around possible. However, please keep in mind that it is still subject to weather and obstructions. Now, let us talk a little about cybersecurity. While Starlink Mini provides a greater access to the internet, it also comes with certain risks. Satellite communications. Yes, satellite communications can be vulnerable to hacking. Let me give you some of the examples of satellite communication getting compromised in the past. I'm just going to take 4 cases here. 1. In 1998, a hacker took control of ROSAT, R-O-S-A-T, ROSAT, X-ray satellite. Right? This is in 1998. 2008, the Landsat 7 and Terra EOS satellites experienced cyber attacks. Both Landsat 7 and Terra, T-E-R-R-A, Terra EOS satellites in 2008 experienced cyber attacks. In 2022, Viasat KA-SAT networks was disrupted using Russian invasion of Ukraine, causing widespread internet outage across Europe. This happened in 2022. Let me talk about another example that happened in 2020. The US Department of Defense reported attempts of hack against the satellite communication during some military exercises. Having said all this is happening, what they did is they wanted to come up with a competition more like capture the flag, but for hacking satellites. Yes, in 2023, a competition called Hack a Sat competition saw teams successfully hacking US Air Force satellite to highlight potential vulnerabilities. Additionally, during Russian-Ukraine conflict, Starlink satellites faced frequent cyber attacks and also jamming attempts. It is crucial to use strong password, enable encryption, and make sure your softwares are up to date and to protect from most prominent attacks. Overall, Starlink Mini is a game changer for internet access in remote areas, but be sure to stay vigilant about cybersecurity. What do you think about Starlink Mini? Could this solve your internet issues? Let me know your comments in the section below, and do not forget to like, subscribe and share the notification bell for more tech updates. Until next time, stay connected and stay safe. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights on cybersecurity.